We've got one more error to correct, and we can see that our writing prompt sum is 120% and not 100%. And what that is this area right underneath its category. So we can see that 20 plus 35 plus 55 plus 10 is 120%. Everything under a category can only equal 100%. So we'll need to correct that. And one of the easiest ways to do that would be to use the bulk edit tool. I'm going to click all these items under this category and go to bulk edit. And you'll see that we'll have all these weights right here in front of us. So we just need to get them to equal 100%. So I'm now going to make this 25% for 45, and we'll make this 35% for 80, and that's going to leave 20% for our last one. And we'll click Save. And you can see that now underneath that writing prompt category, all our prompts are equal to 100%. You also want to double check to make sure all your percentages and weights match what's listed in your syllabus. And now all our notes are gone, and our book will function as we intended.